Every year, around 140,000 people move to Dubai, and each of them looks for accommodation. We surveyed and found that 70% had difficulty finding a place to live. That's why we've compiled tips and steps to make this process easier in Dubai. Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Natalia. I'm a real estate agent in COLIFE, Dubai. Today we're diving into how to find a place to live in Dubai. Finding a place to live can be tough, especially for expats. We will cover what to look for, what red flags to watch out in this video today. First, consider the neighborhood. Safety and security, the atmosphere and lifestyle of the community. Reviews from current and former residents. If you love hustle and bustle, check out areas like GBR, Dubai Marina, downtown, and so on. But if you prefer peace and quiet, look for apartments in neighborhoods like Dubai Hills, Creek Harbor, Sabha. Set your budget. For example, you can rent a place like this for 5,000 dirham in Deira. Or you can increase your budget by 5,000 dirham and rent a stylish apartment in Business Bay. However, we advise against renting an apartment with your last penny, which would make you tighten your bed later. Instead, follow the rent to income ratio, no more than 30%. Let's smoothly move to the next point. Check what is included in the price. Are Diva, Chiller, and Wi-Fi included? These basic bills are ideally covered by the rent. Otherwise, in addition to the rent, you will pay approximately 600 dirham monthly. Also, look for services that offer payment in 12 checks, like COLIFE. Each check should cover Wi-Fi, Chiller, Diva, maintenance, tenant support, and weekly cleaning. Visit multiple properties. Schedule viewing for different apartments and compare your options. Know the pros and cons of each one. Pay attention to natural light, ventilation, layout, transport access, and amenities. Viewing just one apartment isn't enough, so plan a day or two for this. Evaluate the landlord management. Check reviews and recommendation from current tenants, and look at the landlord's social media presence. Ensure clear communication and transparency, and thoroughly review the contract. Services like Dubai Land Department and Dubai Rest can verify the landlord's reputation and registration. At COLIFE, we always provide necessary documents to our clients to ensure transparency and tenant protection under the contract. These are key points for anyone to rent in Dubai. Share your thoughts and experience in comments below, and have a good day. Bye!